So 10, magbilang tayo ng 10. 1, 2, 3. Tapos dapat kumpleto kayong 10. Okay, so practice pa lang yun, practice. So that at least I think they get it. So that's what we're going to do. Next. O kunyari ako yung captain of the ship. Alright. Ay, children. Our boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1. Ano po ang sagot? Ano yung sagot? Okay, ito yung game na pwede kayong mag-coach, ha? You can coach. So, 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 na kayo dito? 10. Oh, one more. Dapat mag-count kayo, ha? Ates, sino ba yung mga... Pili nga kayo ng group leader dyan na ate. Ayan, eto. Someone's taking charge here. Okay, alright. So we have 2 teams left. And the 4 remaining, you can go get your prizes. Thank you for playing. Okay, kids, children, listen to Captain Kalamba. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5 plus 2. Kasali kayo? Kasali ba? Kasali. Talagang involved ng ating mga audience. 7. Count, ha? 1, 2, 3. There should be 7 of you in the group. 7. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Ilan na kayo? 7 na. Okay, so we have 1 group safe here. Okay, these 4 may go now. Thank you for playing. Go get your prizes from Ate Nini. So we have 2 groups, 7 each. Okay, spread out, people. Spread out. Aye, Captain. Everybody look at